Hi viewers, you are welcome to another tutorials. In these tutorials we are going to talk about the help button. The help button, which is a key or a control key in different application systems that help users to access information which are helpful based or that are related to the program. Now, the help button is a control key, as I said, that help users to click to display the application help system. A user can access the help button by clicking on it in an open program on your computer desktop. The help button is available in most of the programs such as Microsoft Word, web browser, Notepad, Excel, and etc. Typically, one of the functional key, which is the F1 on the computer keyboard, can produce information of the help button when pressed once on the keyboard. Now, this is the symbol of the help button or the help command, and when you open an application which has the help button, you are going to see this help symbol which looks like a question mark. So we are going to open 4 programs and see how this help button or help command works or operates within these programs. So I'm going to open Notepad, the interface of Notepad, and when you move to the top left corner, you can see we have some tabs here. We have the file, the edit, the format, the view, and the last option you see on the tab is the help. When I click on this, I'm going to have these 3 options, and I'm going to click on the first option, which is view help, and this is going to direct me to the internet so that I can have more view of this help command in Notepad application. Now, these are the information display about the Notepad application that we have in our computing system, and it said help in Notepad. Here as answers to a few common questions about Notepad, and some of the help informations are in hyperlink, which you can click and it's going to direct you to the page of this particular hyperlink. We have some tabs here. We have the Notepad tab, the download, we have the features. When I click on features, this is going to display the features of the Notepad, and I have some information displayed within this browser. This Notepad software offer various features like simple text editing to source code editing, support for various programming languages such as C, C++, Java. We have the HTML, that is the hypertext markup language. We have the JavaScript. So the Notepad can be used to write program language, and there are more information. You can click on this to have more information. When you use the horizontal scroll bar, you can see that we have more information about the Notepad. So any information you want to know or identify about the Notepad application, you can just click on it or also search within this and have more information about it. So that is the help button. It directs you to the internet so that you can have more information of this open program. Now let's open Word. Now this is Microsoft Word, and on the menu bar we have different tabs here, and we have the help tab here. When I click on this, I'm going to have this help button here or the help command. So when I have a once click on it, or when I press the F1 key on the keyboard, this is going to display the help system at this pane, and you can see that it is loading. Now this will display information about Microsoft Word. We have more information here. You can click on this link to read or have more information about this, and in the search box you can search manually. If I want to search about the table group under the insert tab, I can click on table. I can type table, then hit the enter key, and this is going to give me information about the table in Microsoft Word. So this is the information. It says add or remove shading in table. So this is going to display all information about the table and how to use them, how to insert, how to merge, how to change the table properties, and that is the function of the help button. So anytime you have this interface, you can just type anything that you want to have within Microsoft Word. Now let's try another example by typing. Maybe you want to have the information about the paste command. You just type paste and hit enter key. And you can see that we have results for paste. It says control the formatting when you paste text. Paste text only lists by default. Bullets and numbers are preserved when pasting text only. Paste special, we have the copy and paste using Office Clipboard. So this is going to give you a tutorials on the Clipboard. That's the Office Clipboard allows you to copy up to 24 items from Office document. So the help button or command in Microsoft Word gives you more information about Microsoft Word. So let's close this program and open a different program, Excel. And when you come to Excel program, we have these tabs, and the help tab is there. When I click on it, we are going to have this help command. When I click on the help command, we're also going to have the same interface here, because this is also a Microsoft Office program that relates to Microsoft Word. So we have this interface. When I click, I can search for any information within Excel. Example, data validation. Then I hit the enter key, and this is going to give me a result of data validation. It says use data validation rules to control the type of data or the values that users enter into a cell. So if I want to have more information, I can just click on this hyperlinks, then read more about data validation. So that is the function of the help button in Microsoft Excel. Now the last program we should use to see how the help works is this browser. Now if I want to access the help button within this particular browser, I have to go to this file menu, and when I click on the file, I'm going to have this option, and there is the help function here. And when I place my mouse pointer on it, you can see that I have help F1. So if I hit the F1 on the keyboard, I'm going to have the help page, and when I also click on it, I'm going to have the help page. So this is going to display the help page of this particular browser for me. Now it says get to know Opera. So if you want to have all information about Opera Mini, you just click on the help under the file menu. We are going to have this. So we have the at this pane, we have the get started browser window. So you can just get started by clicking on this. When you click on the get started, this is going to give you all the information about Opera Mini, and so that you can have more control over the window, and also identify the features of this Opera Mini, so that you can able to use this Opera Mini very simple and easier. So this is how the help button works in all application system that helps you to find more information about the program.